So where we are, I've just pulled up at the permission where Scott. He's got his trusty Brocock Contour and he's just about to sort his magazine out. Is it filled up already?
Yeah.
Load his rifle. We've actually just seen a rat. Well, I have. It's not obviously dark yet. Right, as you can see now, we're starting to lose the light. So what me and Scott's done is, for two reasons. Firstly, for safety reasons, we've had a walk around the farm, made sure that there's no one else on the farm. It is locked up anyway at the barrier. And secondly, just to see the layout of the farm, because I haven't been here for about 2 weeks now, see which pens we can shoot in regards to obviously ricochets, and we don't want pellets going through backstops. So we've identified a few new spots as well where there's a lot of rats, and we've just found about 3 or 4 big ones under some pallets, and in another barn at the top where we've not ever filmed before, we've seen 2 or 3 as well, didn't we? And there's some big ones, so hopefully we're going to put the night vision on now and we'll get some later on. So got the Sony Handycam now with the night shot, and we've just fitted the night sight Wolf Artec on Scott's Brocock. We've seen quite a few more rats on the way up since the last time I gave you the update, and we've also found a new pen as well, what we've never shot before, and it's been cleared out. So we've got like a 31 metres we lased it, didn't we? 31 metre shooting gallery as well, so hopefully there'll be some in there. But I'm just zooming in and you can see there the Wolf Artec unit, and that's it's got his magazine in, 6 shots in the Brocock Contour, so hopefully we'll get some good ratting for you tonight. The pallet like so. So Scott's already had 3, and now we're in the long barn, which is about 45 meters long, 45 yards long, and he's just took his 4th, haven't you? 4th, yeah. So we've seen about 4, I think 4 or 5 in there, but they keep running across the entrance passageway and going into the pens. Well, I've just witnessed something after over 30 years of shooting for the first time, and it's with Scott, and hopefully we've filmed this bit for you, but we've put some markers out, so sort of like a metre or two before our secondary zero and a metre or two after our primary zero, and we knew that to keep within a 15mm point blank range we could shoot crosshair between these 2 points, which is what we've been doing. But there was a target just over what we thought was just outside our point blank range basically, so Scott gave it about half a mil dot old over, and he hit it, and the rat was hit but it was squealed, and hopefully you'll see when we play the video, all the rats started running around it, and it was as if it was shouting help, and it just caught loads of rats, and they all came round it, loads of them. I've never seen it before, and it was as if they was either coming to eat it or they was coming to help it, and like I say, I've never seen it before. Fascinating. Scott hadn't seen it either, so hopefully we caught that for you. How many rats? Wow, I've never seen that before. First time I've seen that happen. Oh no, that's probably red one. Coming to zero, isn't it? Yep, come on. Oh. Mate, you don't kill them quicker than that, do you? You reckon we're out of ammo?
What? 2 I think left.
2. Cracking shot, loading shot. Yeah, so we chased a juvie, tracked a juvie, and he was on a mission. He went down the wall. I don't think I was filming on the RTEC unit then. And then one run across to the left, and then we was going to take one on the left, and he popped in, and then another one came out, and Scott took him. It was right between our markers, so it's crosshair history. Shooting Scott. Half a mil dot. Oh no, it's coming down. Oh, about half. Half a mil dot on them. Great shot. How about that for a shot?
Surprised I got that, if I'm honest.
Nice shot. Okay, so we've come back. You can probably see the pallets. There's some, we can see him running in and out of the pallets. We're just waiting for one to be in a position where he can shoot them. I'll try and come off night shot a second. Oh no, didn't want to press that button. Try and zoom in and give you the picture. I'll show you what Scott is looking at, if it'll focus. So. Ready? See you taking?
Yeah.
Good shot, mate. See that. That's a good shot. Right. Another one. Got just gone to the toilet. So I thought I might as well take that one while it was there. Okay, mate, whenever you're ready. Is he ready? Yeah. Oh yeah, you're 2 for 1 here.
Great shot. That's 12. Cracking shot, well done, Scott.
So I'm just filming on my phone. This is about probably an hour and a half just down the bottom end of the farm with Scott. And these are the ones we could find, but especially in the pallets, we've probably found about another 3, maybe 4 really deep blood pools, haven't we? Where we shot them, but we couldn't pick them up or find them. So, is that your first rat trick? Second rat trick, well done. Find herself a little, we've called it Dead Man's Alley, number 2. But this is at the top end of the farm. And it's between, looks like a gate post and a barn wall. They keep coming out, and Scott's just, as they pop out, quickly snap shooting them and dropping them.
I think
He's eating another one. Yeah, there's one what Scott's tracking, but he's eating one he's already shot.
Good like that. Calling around the snap shooting when a target presents itself and you shoot it quickly.